Alrighty, dudes. Little broken transmission, pump and dump. I cleared the check engine light with my Diabler Sporter there, 6-speed. We are on the 35-inch tires. Alright, this would be a 4-wheel drive pump. It's in a 4-wheel drive lock. What I'm gonna do is try to bring it up out of vacuum right as much as possible and then hit it. Not a boosted launch, just a launch a little bit out of vacuum, less vacuum than just straight hitting it from a dead stop, right? Okay. What I could do, I hold the brakes really tough. I let it come out of vacuum, and once it hits that little square right there, alright, then you can hit it. Oh! You can count it. You can count it. I love this truck.